Today, I am excited to present miTEC's latest innovation in alarm technology, the miTEC P20 series. To my right is the miTEC P20S, which features a robust stainless steel main unit. All to my left is the standard version, the miTEC P20. This multifunctional alarm panel introduces significant advancements over traditional models. It supports multiple alarm inputs and seamlessly integrates with the miTEC series for accessibility call systems in restrooms. Notably, it encompasses standard NO and NC input triggers, along with leak detection devices such as detection cable and miTEC leak probes. Additionally, the panel incorporates RS485 communication, enhancing the system's expandability. This facilitates seamless control and communication between interconnected devices. Later, I will demonstrate some of the panel's features, including a unique labeling system that simplifies the process of defining triggering events for different zones. Users can easily input zone names into a template provided by our software, allowing them to print the labels and insert them into the panel, which is designed with a protective layer to safeguard against water damage. Let us explore the key features of the miTEC P20 system. The stainless steel unit operates in master mode, while the standard unit acts as a repeater. All signals from various zones are directed to the master unit, which relays commands to the repeater, thus activating the corresponding indicator lights and buzzers. The buttons on both units are interconnected, enabling mutual control. This configuration effectively addresses the limitations of traditional alarm panels that struggled to relay commands consistently. The introduction of RS485 communication simplifies this process, eliminating the need for complex wiring between units. Now, let us examine the various triggering modes available. We offer integrations with the miTEC Access Restroom Alarm System, leak detection cable, miTEC leak probes, NC door magnets, and emergency buttons, each serving distinct input functions. To begin, I will demonstrate the miTEC system. Once connected to the alarm panel, the master control unit provides power to the entire miTEC system, negating the need for additional power sources. Pressing the Call Accept button will change the display to a slow flashing state, with synchronized indicator lights. The Reset button can be used to reset the alarm. Alternatively, this function can be disabled if desired. Next, we will test the leak detection system using the MWD-02 probe and a detection cable. Upon detecting water, both main units will trigger simultaneously, displaying synchronized indicators. I will then press Mute. And after muting, I will activate the alarm using the detection cable. Both units will respond promptly, and they are capable of mutual mute and reset functions. We also feature an NC input, allowing the system to function effectively as a security alarm panel. For example, interrupting the circuit of an NC door magnet will trigger the alarm without any complications. The emergency button operates as both an NO and NC input, as evidenced by the clear signal displayed by both units. This demonstration has showcased various alarm inputs, including the miTEC system, leak detection system, and both NO and NC inputs. Let us now delve deeper into the miTEC P20 series. Each unit serves as a main unit, with differentiation based on the presence of control buttons on the master unit. We additionally offer extension units in both stainless steel and standard configurations, which lack control functions and simply serve to extend the zones. The system allows one master unit to connect with 4 extension units, creating an extensive alarm system capable of managing up to 100 zones. Furthermore, these zones can be monitored via repeaters, facilitating remote oversight across multiple floors. Communication between these devices is straightforward, requiring only 4 wires for RS485 connectivity. A key distinction between the master and extension units is that the master unit features a built-in power supply, which also provides power to the extension units via a DC 12V output. The main unit connects to an AC 220V power input, and you may opt for the miPEC lithium battery pack as an auxiliary power source, providing over 2 hours of backup support. As previously noted, this panel accommodates multiple alarm inputs. The alarm panel is organized into 4 distinct groups: leak detection inputs, NC inputs, NO inputs, and MECK inputs. Each group is designated on the master unit. For instance, if the first group signifies leak detection, zones 1 to 5 within that group will correspond precisely to leak detection scenarios. Now, let us clarify the internal components. The largest component is the modular lithium battery, miPEC, an optional accessory we recommend for backup functionality. The AC input is presently connected, and adjacent to it is an external 12V input. In the event that your system includes more than 2 extension units, an external 12V power supply will be necessary. The corresponding relay outputs are conveniently located nearby, along with a detachable terminal row that simplifies wiring tasks. In the lower left corner, there are 4 wires designated for RS485 communication. This cable set is included with the system, and supplementary RS485 terminals are available for extended connections should the need arise. Additionally, the left side of the panel cover houses the settings area, which features 2 prominent dip switches used for defining input categories for the zones. Meanwhile, the right side accommodates further functional settings. This concludes our comprehensive overview of the internal architecture of the miTEC P20 series alarm panel.